All right. Turn this light off real quick. Big problem. All right, so I was driving along and the truck shut off. All right, you hear that? That click, click. The sucker didn't work. All right, so like I say, driving along, had an issue with power a couple times. No real check engine lights. I already had some issues with check engine light, but as you see, it says no engine. Let me turn this bright off. Turn the light on. No ABS, no engine. All right, DPF flashing. That's full. When I have the truck running, none of these gauges work, right? But you know, how do I get it running? Because I push the clutch in and it don't do anything. I decided to, after looking at everything, because I did some serious diagnosing. My body and my hands, they're just extra dirty, and I washed some of it out. But anyways, the CPC located back here behind the dash, this panel. About 11 miles ago, I was on the side of the road. I took this thing apart, and this may not work for everybody, but I took this apart. That's the inside of the CPC. All right. I had my brother drive over 100 miles to bring me one for my other truck. It don't work. All right. You can't. I don't know if you can technically, but older year, I swapped this out from my 2012. This is a 2015. The 2012 was a DD15. This is a 2015 with a DD13. Anyways, it didn't work. Plugged it in, doing the same crap, right? So then I came here and I just, was inspecting it. I can't see any real damage, but when I press down on this, the truck starts. Now also, I don't have any accelerator, the accelerator pedal. Can't accelerate. Stuff fell down everywhere. I can't accelerate at all. So nothing really works, but let me see if I can play with it to get it started. Hold on a second. Put that right there. I'm gonna squeeze on the board and hopefully, oh, boom. It died down, all right? But that's squeezing the board. It wouldn't start before I touched it. All right, I let it go. Nada. Squeeze it. Let's see if I squeeze it. Sorry about the beeping. Okay. Hold on. I can lift it up. I drove, believe it or not, 11 miles safely holding this like this. I got it to run, no accelerator, flashing DEF light, none of the other gauges work. I even took this apart to look in the inside. So what I did was, I'm gonna see how it worked out, and I'll try to post a video of it. But I drove, I'm in Greensboro, North Carolina, and I am outside of ERD, Industrial Electronic Repair. I haven't really, I probably could have called them out there. But anyways, I found them on the internet. Extra dirty. Found them on the internet. And let's see how it goes. That's how I keep everybody posted. But man, it's been rough out here. We just took a big trip. Big Red. Took a big trip from Florida. I had my mom with me, who was riding out. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Everything else, lights and stuff work. I even tried to reach in, but it stopped because I didn't have my hand on the accelerator. I mean, not accelerator, sorry. I'm tired, man. What time is it? Like 5 o'clock in the morning almost, 4 o'clock. I took my hand off the computer, the CPC. It shut off. That's what I was going through in the beginning. So I actually had it running for a couple hours after holding it for a little bit. But obviously you can't ride like that. So I keep, I disappeared. Keep everybody tuned, and hopefully I get this thing going and I can hit the road again. But I'm a mechanic. I got all my tools with me. I got toolbox. I got a box of tools. I got another toolbox. I got a tool bag under the trunk. Under the bunk. I wound up getting, I didn't even know it, but somehow I brought my multimeter. I was testing the PDM. I was testing the fuses, everything. And man, this thing whooped me, man. I was dealing with this since like 12 o'clock this afternoon, or yesterday afternoon, because it's the next day. But yeah, I keep everybody posted. Hopefully they can do something for me, or I can leave the computer here, maybe get picked up, come back Monday. I don't know. I'm more than an hour and some change away. My trailer, I was under load at Harris Teeter, and that thing had to get picked up by this nice lady. Her name's Debbie. I don't know what her last name is, but she drove pretty far to come get that trailer and deliver the load. So I'm tired. I'm gonna go to sleep, and I'll keep y'all posted.